Hey, top of the morning here. This is Ed Buford down here at Buick GMC Cable Diamond, 3107 South Nolan Road. We have this beauty we just got in. It's 2018 GMC Yukon SLT. Chrome wheels, white body. This thing's a beauty. Let's take a look at the inside. Very spacious. There, third row. This thing's a beast. Big dash in here. Big screen. Heated seats. Climate controls. Buttons over here. Things loaded. Yeah, like I said, my name's Ed Buford down here at Buick GMC Cable Diamond, 3107 South Nolan Road. You can give me a call at 816-352-5081, or you know where to find me. Sir.